Well, that didn't take long. Depression number 1 formed late Monday night, and now we already have our first named tropical storm of the season. As expected, the environment was favorable for development here, so the depression became a storm and is now starting to make that turn slowly to the north and west. Where it turns to the north will play a big role into where it eventually ends up and how close it gets to the Florida coastline. The forecast, though, from the Hurricane Center is for a strengthening tropical storm and possibly some moderate impact there in the coastal Carolinas, especially around the holiday. That's a big deal. So if you're traveling up to the north and to the east, stay tuned for updates on that. Now, model guidance continues to split a little bit depending on where it makes the turn. Some models have suggested that the system might hug the coast here before making that turn to the north and to the east. So we will certainly watch that. Tropical storm warnings in effect for the coastal regions, watches in effect for the inland counties, and we'll keep you updated on that as well. So there could be some tropical storm conditions along the coast, but I want to show you on Wind Tracker, all the strong wind speeds are on the eastern side. That's typically the case with tropical systems, and because the center of circulation is going to be offshore, most of the wind impact will stay over the water. Now, as it gets closer to the coast, there will be some increasing winds here north and east of Jacksonville. And then look at the colors here. Those reds indicate close to hurricane force winds when it moves up east of Charleston. So we'll have to watch that closely, and especially residents up in South Carolina, North Carolina, will need to keep an eye on that as we move later into the work week. Primary concern, if you will, or impact here in Florida is heavy rain, squally weather. There could be some water spouts. Watch out for the rip current risk on the beach as well. And there will be some heavy rain, even pushing inland, 2 to 4 inches of rain, basically from I-75 eastward. Some locally higher amounts if that center of circulation comes a little closer to shore. So stay tuned for updates on now Tropical Storm Arthur.